Hi everybody, today I will tell you and show you how to create your own token in the network TRC20. For this one, we need Tron IDE and wallet Tron link in our browser. As you can see, it's an extension. I have it on the top here. Okay, so you can see the wallet, we see the money being topped up. In this wallet, we need at least 800 TRX, which is the minimum. If you use less, it will not work and you will lose your money. Be aware of this. This will be enough to create 50 or 70,000 USDT TRC20. This is a method specifically for TRC20. What you need to do is Tron IDE is an analog of Remix, but works only on the Tron network, right? So we're gonna create a new sheet. You can call it whatever you want, but from the convenience, I will call it USDT. This will not change anything. Then insert the code that will be in the description. This code is ready. You just paste it in. It's gonna perfectly work already. Then you go one lower. You select the version 0.51 in the compiler plus 0.1 plus commit, and then click compile. Let's wait till it loads. Okay, it's loading still. Okay, perfect. You can see for the green check mark, it works. So we go below in the environment, and there we have the environment, and we're gonna select not the JavaScript, but the injected Tron web. So it opens the Tron link, we link our wallet, you connect the wallet, it says it's this wallet, you check the balance and click connect. Okay, we are in. Once it's connected, you check again that the wallet is correct. You see the contract says TRC20 USDT.sol. This is the one that we're gonna use. So, but not this time. So we're gonna use Tron liquidity bot because the one is selected will not work. We need this one, Tron liquidity bot. Token name, this is where you need to put the actual token name. So we're gonna need to put Tether, and then the token symbol is gonna be USDT. So we click contract, and then we click sign. This is the commission, which is fixed at $27. Basically, this is a commission for the transaction. We're gonna wait till the block gets mined. And this type of contracts are created quickly. We need to see that our contract is created. It's basically instant. Let's check it on Tronscan. This is the fastest probably contract you can have. I'm gonna show you the contract link now, so you can see that's actually a legit one, right? So I'm gonna look it up on Tronscan. Okay, let's wait till it's loading. Okay. So the contract is created, the name Tron liquidity bot, where there are no transactions because we haven't topped that yet. This is to make sure that the contract is created and this is not a scam. This is legit. You can verify this and everything, right? So we have copied our contract number now, and we're gonna top it up with 800 Tron. So as I've already indicated earlier, it is better to watch the video to the end at first and then do the actual creation process, because there will be important information towards the end. Okay, let's send the money. We need to specify in the contract that we see that there's a contract account, everything is fine, and we need to write 800 TRX and process send. Press send, we're good, we click sign, we confirm the transaction. Oh yeah, the transaction has been confirmed. Great, now we just need to wait. Okay, we see that our tokens have been sent off. Great. Let's refresh the page to make sure the contract actually has been topped up and is funded now. Okay, as you can see, the money is there. It's the 800 Tron that we have put in. So where is it? There it is. Token count 800. That's literally what we want. So we'll go back, we'll open it, and we can start our bot actually. So we're gonna open it, and then we're gonna press, this is the amount. Back to Tron IDE, into functionality of our contract. You'll see 3 sections, but we're only interested in transfer TRC20, which is fund that is designed to transfer specifically from the smart contract to a specific address. So this is useful when we sell tokens, but it is better to sell tokens only through a specific wallet to wallet. So here we're just gonna do that. Okay. We put an amount here. The amount we had was 800 TRX, so this is 50-70k. This is how many TRX are needed to create. So 800 TRX creates 50 to 70k Flash USDT. To create a specific number of tokens, if something will be unclear, text me. I will answer and reply you on Telegram. I will be down, but you can just text me up, hit me up. I'll be free whenever I can. This token is a Tether USDT, and we have on Tronscan everything is official. Will indicate in the description, so that not to search, and it was convenient. So this is gonna be very easy. So when I'm pasting the address you want from your wallet where you want to receive your tokens, right? So here first you paste the token ID from Tronscan, then your address ID, and then the amount. So we said 50,000, 70,000. So I'm just gonna go in the middle with 60 and click start. So we close that up, click start. We'll have to play commission. We confirm it because it's fine. This is just a commission. Okay. Now the transaction has been confirmed, everything is fine. I checked that the contract did not write off any money and the liquidity will work for our tokens. We need to verify all of this before we proceed. Let's see. Let's update it real quickly. Let's see. Okay, always see asset remained the same, but slightly changed due to the change of the exchange rate, so it actually went up a bit for us. Then we can go back to the Tron IDE and click withdrawal to withdraw our tokens. So you could click, then we sign again for the transaction to actually go through. So that's the, yep. That should be confirmed now. The withdrawal should be on its way. Let's see how it's going. The transaction is confirmed, as you can see here from this string of code. Okay, let's check it on Tronscan map and refresh the page so you can actually see that we have received everything correctly. Okay, that's updating. Okay, the contract has been emptied, so now we check our wallet if the money has been actually received. Let's verify this one. Yeah, as you can see, that's the 60,000. We have received all of it. Now let's show you, for example, how to transfer from one address to another without losing any liquidity at all. That is not through the contract functionality itself, but through a regular address without any corrections, so it's going to be very easy and very accessible, actually. Okay, so we have this other wallet that has no money on it. So it's absolutely empty. I have nothing on it. I just created it. Let's click receive and copy our address from it. Okay, let's click receive. Let's copy the address of the wallet. Okay, now let's go back to our main wallet. Let's click send to it. So as you can see, there it is. You click send, then you paste the account address of our secondary wallet and see what is wallet 1 token. We choose USDT, Tron USDT, this one, you can see we have 60,000 of it, so this is gonna be the one we choose. We're gonna go for, let's say, let's go for the full amount now, but there's gonna be a commission which we're gonna have to pay, which is gonna detract, so it's gonna be a smaller amount. We still have Tron, so you should keep some Tron from this transaction, right? So don't forget that. Okay, let's look at the details. We get the transaction hash, everything is displayed in Tronscan. Sometimes transactions are not displayed in Tronscan when sending Flash USDT, but these Flash USDT are good and high quality. They have 90 days of validity, and they're at least for a few more months they will be. You can send them and get back on them, so 90 days validity is what we have for them. During this time you can send, see them, they look just like the real thing. No, they don't change at all. We see the whole info, when I send what I sent. You can check it yourself. You can go on Tronscan, verify this transaction, see that this video actually is real, as I showed you everything. Let's check the receiving wallet, see that everything should be as it is. 60k received, there we go. That's the value in dollars, 59.69. That's it. As you can see, everything is legit and right. You can check yourself, as I've said, so you can verify the truth. Okay, I'll show you the transfer now. So transfers, it's gonna update. There we go. This is the transfer that just happened. We need to select transfers that we see 1 minute ago, 60K. This is it. This is the transfer that we just did in this video. Thank you very much. Contact me on Telegram if you have any questions.